Hi everybody, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new video. Today I want to talk about something very interesting that's happening in the crypto markets. It's been happening for quite a while, but I don't think most of you have understood the power in what's happening. So if you know a little bit about stocks, you know that fundamentals play a very big part of the stock market valuation. Stocks move really accordingly to fundamentals. There are news, there are the profits, the EPS, and all that kind of stuff. So fundamentals is a very interesting metric that you can get on most trading view stocks as these sectors. You can see that there are both sector and industry. Sector is the broad space in which a stock is involved, and industry is the very precise thing in which a stock is involved. What I want you to see right there is how these industries behave in many different ways. You can see, for example, you have coal, which is up to 70% up to date, and you have other stuff like packaged software, which is only up 46%. And if you reverse the thing, you can see that medical nursing services are down 8% in the US. You can also change that in most countries, but we're not looking at that. I want to show you the same thing that's happening on crypto. If you've been running your screener like I did, I have a little page about my screener. Where is it? It's over here. I made quite a few videos about screeners either on stocks and crypto. I'm talking about crypto right now. If you run your crypto screeners on the exchange, you are returned with the highest performing assets, which have something in common. They're like, for example, Send or Fox, PYR, and I have other in my holdings. And when you look at them compared to Bitcoin, you can see, for example, Send going up and Bitcoin going down. So this is something very interesting. Usually altcoins are very correlated, and in the past they were absolutely correlated, and we're seeing more and more sectors, more and more cryptos being decorrelated from the big capitalization. You can see really right there, Bitcoin has been going down since November 10, but this altcoin has been going up. And if you know a little bit about crypto, you will know why, but I want to detail and explain really in the detail what I think is happening right now. So if you want to check my screener playlist, please check it out. Leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Very good. Thank you. So there is a possibility to filter cryptos just like we did right there. You can do this. For example, you have all the industries right there, airlines, food, retail. You can do the same thing for crypto on CoinMarketCap with adding filters. You can choose your filter right there. And I set Metaverse. If you don't know about Metaverse, it's really people trying to create an alternate universe in which people are going to have like crypto changeable things. For example, you will have a crypto jacket that you will be able to transfer between different metaverse. For example, in your GTA universe to your Call of Duty universe. It's very complicated and not very interesting stuff for us right now. What's really interesting is how correlated this sector is. We're starting to see sector correlation in crypto. I don't know, I will do a video about sector correlation if you're not familiar with it. I hope you are. But really what you can see here is very obvious. You choose the metaverse thing and you see all of this have the same momentum. They are the same chart, they just go up in a similar way. Whereas we're going to take a look at the general crypto markets. You can see all the top cryptos like you have Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Ripple, DOT. You can see they are not correlated at all. They don't move the same way. But when you look at this, you can see they move really close together. That's very interesting. There is an even better way to see this. People have made an index fund. There are crypto index funds. Now I'm going to do a special video about it because it's so interesting. I'm really thrilled about this. This is a package index that packages all the crypto involved in the metaverse space, and that puts them together and gives you an index price. You would use this like an ETF. You would use an ETF, for example, the IWM to chart the Russell 2000. You would choose this to chart the metaverse sector. And you can see we have seen an amazing run up in the metaverse sector. So very interesting stuff happening. If you don't know about this, you should really dig into this. Another sector thing that really started to get my mind into this was the DeFi sector bubble back in the summer of 2020. I don't know if you've been there by the summer of 2020. I was on vacation. I didn't do trading. I started trading back again in November 2020 when Bitcoin broke out. But you can see that back in July of 2020, the DeFi market cap was above its previous 2017 highs. All the crypto markets were at the previous levels right above right there, if you remember where Bitcoin was in May 2020. But DeFi had bounced so hard, it was up at higher than its previous peak from 2017. And it made an immense bubble. It progressed so hard, and all the DeFi coins like Uniswap performed super well during the summer of 2020. All the other cryptos were not doing anything. There was just this kind of thing that was pumping like crazy. And I had a friend who made tons of money into this. I didn't make a single penny because I didn't know about this. If you look at the chart again in the future, you can see after the whole market pumped in December, November 2020, all the market pumped together. But really what happened in the summer of 2020 was only DeFi pumping. Very interesting. This is called sector correlation. Very interesting. You can see the DeFi coins, Terra, Chainlink, Uniswap. It was mostly Uniswap. I remember it going up like crazy. And as I talk about indexes, there are people trying to make indexes. There is an amazing software that is enabling you, sorry for my English, to make your own like crypto ETFs. I'm going to make a special video, but I really wanted to share this very interesting topic. Mind more and more the sector correlation. You know, what's going on with this Metaverse hype? What's going on? I didn't talk about the NFT hype, but of course you know about the NFT hype. If you look at Solana and AVAX are really linked together by the NFT. You can see Solana right there from, what is this, July 21 to September 21. You can see it performed so strongly and even got higher than its previous high point. When you look at Bitcoin, you can see on the same period it made absolutely nothing. So there was a sectorial correlation. All the NFT things and the NFTs itself were going up like crazy. This is very interesting. I really want to open your mind on this. Really check this out. I will do more videos, of course, because it's such an interesting topic. And as a trader, this is something we really need. That's it. I really wanted to make an introduction to what this. I'm going to do more research and share more and more my knowledge, because that's what I do on this channel. I share my knowledge and what I understand in the markets. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and you can leave a comment to add to my research and give me some new clues about what I can go in and check. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Trade well and goodbye.